We are Mia and Massi. We live on this beautiful island called Sicily. Join us on our adventures around the island and making and eating local cuisine, on our villa DIYs and on our simple slow living. This is our Sicilian dolce vita. Venite con noi. Good morning.
Morning. Hiya.
You're happy this morning, aren't you?
Yep, I surely am. There are little chicklets hatched inside that nest up there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the baby finch. I'll try to get a close-up video of them. I'm just feeding them at the moment.
So we got baby finches. And they were born when?
3 days now.
Okay, we'll try to get you a close-up. And here they are all. Little family here. And our chicken's doing pretty well.
Yep.
She seems to be happy. She laid any eggs yet?
No, actually haven't found eggs yet, so she obviously needs to ambient herself.
Yeah. No eggs yet.
No.
Okay, let's have a look at the remaining chickens that are petrified of us. Alright, so today's a different day because you're going to work for lunch, aren't you,
Yeah,
Mas?
first lunch service we're doing ever since it's been open.
So Sunday lunch and evening, so you're working practically all day, right?
Yeah. But then I'm off Tuesday as well, no?
Okay, that's nice. Okay, so because Massi is working practically all day, I've decided that together with my mate Angela, we're going to go hiking, we're going to do a coastal hike, we're taking some sandwiches and we're going to spend half the day there, even a little bit more than half a day. And so my day is broken up and it's not a long day just spent at home.
Right, babe. Catch you later.
Yeah.
Have a nice day walking. I'll be working. You'll be walking.
I'll be walking, you'll be working.
Love you.
See you later. Ciao.
Ciao.
Bye. This is my mate and this is how she presents herself. Wow. Beautiful place. We've come here a few times. We love it because no one's here and just a few campers at the beginning. So we're walking towards our favorite spot. We're gonna go for a swim. It's a beautiful day. Yep, this is paradise. This is richness. This is what gives me so much happiness. And I needed this, I needed to get out. Beautiful. Oops, your cream's fallen. Your cream.
Rowboat
Really?
from the bay. I spent the night on that island.
Wow. You know what? We've been with a kayak with Mas.
grapes.
Mmm,
Yeah.
thank you.
And there's a, I don't have any sweets. Well,
We'll get a coffee afterwards. Yeah, so we've had our snack and now we're gonna make our way down towards the beach, maybe? I don't know, we're just playing it by ear. Scenery is beautiful, look at that. I know it's not as busy as it was in the summer. All these little,
park out.
yeah. Okay, we managed to get down. Little boat over there, so that's where we came from. We had our sandwiches up where the castle was. And we made our way all the way down here. I think we're going to sit here and might go for a cheeky swim. Let's see how brave I am. Brave in the sense that it's not as hot as it normally is, but it's probably hot for a lot of you guys who live in cold climates. Okay, I don't know where she's taking me, but we're going a little bit further.
I've got my patty. I got my patty 100 years.
Oh yeah, you have.
Yes, I
I've
do.
got nothing. Maybe we should do a course. Tiny little pier here. We just walk through. Not pier,
Walking
harbour.
along the pier.
What's this, a harbour?
They
Little harbour.
They pay for this.
Yeah, they pay
It
too.
shows you're walking along there. I wouldn't want someone walking along and my boat's standing there. It's not here anyway. Not with these
I
savages.
know, but we just
Not
cut
with
through.
Not with these savages.
Talk for yourself. Look at this boat. Yeah, I love this one. It's got little eyes. They all have eyes. Well, I don't know if it's eyes, it's lights. It's really nice. Finally arrived at our destination. It was well worth the walk. Gonna go for a little swim now. We had a beautiful swim. I couldn't film because my gimbal the foot's broken. I couldn't film. Now we're getting ready and we're gonna go back and maybe have another swim along the coast going back. Anyway, how many kilometers did we do, Angela, here?
6.5.
6.5 kilometers, and then we're going back again. It was really, really amazing to get out, to swim, we did like, I don't know how many kilometers, quite a lot, and have a good conversation with the person that knows how to relate, you know, to my circumstances, and we understand each other really well. Buona domenica. Buongiorno.
Good morning, buongiorno.
Monday morning, Massi's day off, and unfortunately we are not doing nice things this morning.
It's not a matter of doing a nice thing, we're just correcting a little bit of a mistake that we did make.
Yeah. Can you explain what happened, Mass?
Yeah, I ordered a pump and everything for our borehole water.
Yeah.
The pump came, it's the wrong size. I'm now going to change it, get it modified, or not get it modified, just change it, and sort the pump all out again.
Yeah.
It's obviously the reoccurrence of what happened, but yeah, we're sorting that out this morning.
Yeah, so we're on our way to Syracuse. It's, as I said, it's Monday morning. We are sorting that out. So there's a shop in Syracuse that we're hoping we can find the right one.
Workshop, yeah.
Yeah, workshop. And then Massi needs a pair of shoes, so we might pop, if we've got time, we'll go buy a pair of shoes for Massi. and then we will go back home and have lunch. So we're on our way to Syracuse. Got it, Mas? You got it? Okay, quick lunch today because we're super busy. I've just boiled some potatoes. I've boiled some eggs. I have bought some beetroot, and let's go have a look in the garden what I can get. Okay, so I've got the cicoria, which is growing quite nicely. And then I've got potatoes in the middle. I've got some beet leaves, which aren't ready yet. I don't want to pick them. Cicoria, I could probably pick a bit. I don't know, let's see. The fennel, very slow. Okay. Might pick some chicory leaves. Yeah, I'm not going to pick that chicory leaf, the chicory leaves. I don't think they're ready. I'm going to give them maybe a week or 15 days, and then we'll pick them and we'll have those with some lunch. I've got enough stuff to have for lunch. Let's go see what Massi's up to now. The wisteria was looking a little bit dry, so I watered it this morning, but it grows quite fast. I can't believe how fast it's growing.
Big operation this morning. Good morning. I'm emptying out the 2 tanks that I've got over here. To empty them out, I've connected a pump to them so it goes quicker. I don't want to be here all the time, forever. And once I've done that, I can start moving the tanks up to the top land.
Oh yeah, we've got a little bit of land up at the top, yes.
So from the pump, which is down here, it's going to pump the water up to the top. And then from the top, it's going to pump it into the house. Okay, and you've got the new pump, so I've got the new pump and everything. It's quite a long process.
Yeah.
I have to do it bit by bit.
Okay.
I'll get a big part of it done this morning.
Yeah. Massi had to empty this tank before he could take it up to the top. And look what we found inside the actual tank. Sand. So much of that sand. No wonder the pump breaks every 4 years. It's crazy.
So what we actually need to do now is put extra sand filters on.
Yeah.
It's another cost of money.
Yeah.
But it's okay.
But it's got to be worth it in the long run. Otherwise, it's just the pump cost us, a lot of money. And if this carries on like this, can't believe that. It's crazy. Oh my goodness. Crazy. This was hard work. Wow, still coming out. Look at this, a whole wheelbarrow full. Let's hope the weather holds out, otherwise he's gonna have to carry on tomorrow. It doesn't look very promising. Oh, country life. So I never really showed you the end result of the kitchen surface. It has been a right nightmare from day one. The wood expanded and it cracked some of the grout. We thought that might happen, but now that we've put all the tiles in, it seems to have settled, fingers crossed. Unfortunately, one little tile cracked here, which is, I can live with that, I don't care. Overall, it's much better now than it was before, but we still have to obviously paint the wall where all that the coffee splatter happened, which is a good excuse because I needed to paint the walls anyway. Okay, and these are the walnuts that the grandkids picked on Sunday. I've let them dry out all week. This one still needs drying out, but the majority of them are ready. There you go, I might have these just as a dessert. Quick lunch, here we go. Beetroot and cucumber salad, egg and potato salad, a bit of salami that I picked up, olives and sun-dried tomatoes, some nice cheese primo sale that we got, and some delicious bread. Cheers! Buongiorno!
Buongiorno.
So we've decided we're gonna go for a walk, and we've got beautiful areas just behind our house. So we are gonna take you along a dried riverbed in a little, would you call it a canyon, Mas?
It's a riverbed which it's formed into a canyon.
Yeah. So like a little, just a riverbed which is dry, always dry, except when it floods. Then we get a little bit of water running through, which is quite amazing to watch.
A few years ago there was a really big flood.
There was, yeah. We took actually some footage. So this is the main road. We're going to go down. Let's go. So that's up above is where I normally walk with the dogs, up there, and I can only reach obviously till the end, and then I look down into the riverbed, but we're gonna go and do that now. So look, problem is we need to try and find an entrance, and it's completely covered by bamboo. So okay, Massi forgot his phone in the car, so he's going back to get his phone because he needs to see where he flies his drone. He can't do it without his phone. We've discovered that actually the bamboo is so high and so thick that it's extremely hard to get through. So we're going to walk back along the bridge, and there's another little entrance just after this one. So we're going to try that one and see if we have any luck getting into that, into that right river. So I'm walking ahead to the next entrance while Massi, I don't know if you can see him behind, he's forgotten his phone in the car. So he's going to go get that, and then he's going to meet me at the next entry. Okay, so this is the next little entry. We're going to have to jump over. Okay, luckily I'm not fat, not thin, but I was able to get through those bars over there. Let's go and adventure. Maybe I should wait for Massi. There he is. He's skinny too. Oops. Okay. Okay, now we have to find a way to get down and under. It's too high from there, Mas. Huh? It's too high from there. Just gonna see if there's anything further on. Okay, finally. It's taking us ages. So we're on the riverbed now. It's going to be a very massaging walk on our feet. Very hard walking on these pebbles.
Just a snake went past in front of me.
Oh my goodness, I'm glad it didn't.
A viper, black viper.
They're poisonous, no?
Yeah.
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh, great. Let's continue. A bit more crunchier, softer on the feet. That's where we walk along here, the ridge of those mountains, and look down. And now we're down looking up. Okay, the clever thing is, we didn't bring any water, did we, Massi?
No. Okay, we're not far from home. So.
You're so badly organised. Massi found some sort of a storage place, obviously a cave, but they've made it become a storage place. We got from the riverbed, we climbed up because it was hard work with all the pebbles. Anything? Who knows where this leads to? Yeah. Crazy, eh? No, I would not like to go in there. Thank you very much. You can go in by yourself. Bye. Yeah, unfortunately we found some bullets.
They're shotgun shells.
Shotgun shells, because we do hear a lot of hunters, so they obviously hunt around this area. Yeah, I'm glad they don't do it during the week. I never hear them during the week, only on the weekends.
Sometimes they're in the morning. Yeah.
Not during the week though, I don't think. I've never heard them during the week.
There's a walnut tree. Look at the walnuts, right?
I know, we've got plenty at home, Mass, which we need to pick, but this is huge. Wow. Blueberries, but they're not ready yet. Let's have a look. Wow. Full of them. Full. I know where to come now. Look at those olive trees, beautiful. Massi's flying his drone again. So this year's not the abundance of olives in Sicily. It was last year, in fact. Looking around at all the trees, there are hardly any olives on here. Massi's bringing his drone back. But yeah, just found one. So we can't do it every year. Well, you can, but there's not a lot of olives. Okay, that was really nice. We're gonna go back home, have a drink of water and prepare some lunch. Did you enjoy yourself, Mas?
Always do.
It was a bit hard to walk on these pebbles though, wasn't it?
It's good exercise though. I have promised to get something for Maria. Yep. I've gone and bought them. She really wanted them badly, so I bought them. For you, babe. Love you. Hello again. Good morning, almost afternoon.
So it's the next day from our little adventure from yesterday.
The day after. I was on the way this morning to go do some beekeeping because it's the end of the season, and driving along I bought 3 olive trees because Friday normally there's the gentleman that sells these trees. I bought them. They're called Nocellare Ible.
Ible are the range of mountains around here. So,
and they're very good olive trees. They give off a lot of olives. These are 2-year-old trees.
How much did they cost? So people
€9 each, because I only bought 3. If I bought more, they would have cost a lot less. Yeah, so it's really good. I got a good
so the
choice.
more you buy, the less you pay.
Obviously.
Guys, what a bargain, honestly.
Yeah, Maria's asked me for a while now if I can stop off again. So we've always missed a Friday. Today was Friday. I saw him this morning really early. Stopped and got the trees. Kept them in the car. Just
so
finished,
happy.
got home, and offloaded them. You got to keep the lady happy. So.
So we'll be planting these obviously probably Monday and Tuesday, but you'll see the video next Saturday. So keep an eye out on that video.
We'll be filming this week for next week. Yeah.
We're going to end this video just saying goodbye to you all and thanking you all for watching our videos, for liking, subscribing, commenting, you name it, the whole thing, the whole spiel that everybody says.
And I would like to add, we have added a shop on this week.
Yeah.
So we set up our shop. Our shop's up and running. we have included a discount for the first 3 people, so the first 3 orders, because obviously we just launched the shop. One person has already asked us for a discount, so we're sending that off straight away. We need your email, so if you send us your email, we'll give you a discount code. You add the discount code, promo code inside the box, and you also follow it all on the shop itself. It's very easy. If you go on our YouTube channel, you'll see the last icon, the last menu title is shop. Go into there, click on there, order whatever you want, and we'll give you that discount. So 20% discount for the first 3 people that order.
So Massi's been so good. He's been working so hard doing the shop and making all the little products with our little slogans, Dolce Vita, Dolce Fa Niente. I helped a lot. And so if you fancy like a little mug with a little Sicilian tile or something,
we've made them very unique, so
and very simple, because I know that Sicily like to use, like the Sicilians like to use really wild colors.
We've kept it as simple as possible.
very Mediterranean looking, like white and blue. So anyway, if you fancy that, have a look at that.
Have a look around, browse around the shop.
We're gonna say goodbye to you.
Goodbye, everyone.
Yeah,
thanks for everything.
Thanks
Good
for everything.
comments, keep them coming, and we'll always answer you.
Ciao ragazzi.
Bye bye.